planning a wedding in Lawrenceville, Duluth, or anywhere in Gwinnett County, you'll need a marriage license from the Gwinnett County Probate Court. But here's a local secret. You don't need to pay the full application price, and you do not have to wait to say, I do. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed mental health counselor. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Gwinnett County process, what documents you must bring, and a specific Georgia legal loophole to save $40 on your license. Let's break down the exact local costs. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Gwinnett County Probate Court is $56. However, under Georgia Law OCGA 19-3-30.1, if you complete an approved 6-hour premarital education course, like the one we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the state application fee is legally waived. That brings your total courthouse cost down to an incredibly low $16, keeping $40 right in your pocket for the honeymoon. Beyond saving money, getting married in Georgia comes with a major time-saving advantage. Unlike other states that force engaged couples into a mandatory waiting period, Georgia has zero waiting period for adults 18 and older. The moment the probate court clerk hands you your active license, you are cleared to get married that exact same day. To claim this $40 discount, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our curriculum is 100% online, entirely self-paced, and costs just $17.49. You can log in from your phone or laptop and knock out the required 6 hours at your own speed. But here's the most critical step. Gwinnett County is strict and will often reject standard printed PDFs. To guarantee they accept your discount, I personally sign, notarize, and mail your authentic physical state certification form directly to your home via USPS. When your physical certificate arrives in the mail, both you and your partner must apply together in person at the Gwinnett County Probate Court. You'll find them inside the Justice and Administration Center on Langley Drive in Lawrenceville. Hand the clerk your notarized Cadenza counseling certificate, along with valid government-issued photo IDs and your social security numbers. If you were previously married, be sure to bring a certified copy of your final divorce decree. The clerk will verify your notarized form, apply your discount, and hand you your license right there. To claim your Gwinnett County fee discount and secure your notarized state form, click the link in the description below to register for our official Georgia premarital course today. You can start right now and finish entirely on your own schedule. If you have any questions about the local marriage license process, drop a comment below. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding.